Welcome to another video from mathbaker.com. I am Tapas and today we are going to learn about unitary method. So let's get started. First we will be starting with an example. Here the question is, the cost of 1 pen is rupees 8. Find the cost of 7 pens. So we can write like this: 1 pen cost rupees 8. Now we have to find the cost of 7 pens. So 7 will cost, so we have to see here that 1 pen costs rupees 8, so the cost of 7 pens will be more. So whenever the cost or the price or the value will be more, what we have to do is we have to multiply by the number of items. So we have to multiply rupees 8 into 7, which is equal to 56. So this is your answer. So the cost of 7 pens will be rupees 56. So cost of 1 pen is rupees 8. So 7 pens will cost more. So we have to multiply by the number of items. So here we have to multiply rupees 8 by 7 and we will get the answer. Let's try another example. Here the question is, 12 boxes have 144 books. How many books are there in each box? Here it is given that 12 boxes have 144 books. So we can write 12 boxes have 144. Now we have to find the number of books in each box. So one box will have, here 12 boxes have 144 books, so one box will have less number of books. So if the value is supposed to be less, we have to divide by the number of items. So here the number of items is 12 boxes, so we have to divide by 12. So the answer is 12 books. So each box will have 12 books. Here you have to understand 12 boxes have 144 books. So one box will have less number of books. So we have to divide by the number of boxes. Let's try another one. The question is, the cost of 8 cows is rupees 720. Find the cost of 12 cows. So first we have to do is we have to write the question in such a way so that whatever we want has to be on the right hand side. Here we have to find the cost, so we have to keep this cost on the right hand side. So we have to write like this: 8 cows cost rupees 720. Next what we have to do is we have to find the cost of 1 cow. 1 cow will cost, just like in the previous examples, if 8 cows cost rupees 720, 1 cow will cost less, so we have to divide by the number of cows. So we can write 720 divided by 8. Now we have to find the cost of 12 cows. Next, 12 cows will cost, here one cow costs rupees this much. So 12 cows will cost, obviously it will cost more. So we have to multiply by 12. So we can write 720 by 8 into 12. So this is your answer. So the cost of 12 cows will be 1080. So here we see that 8 cows cost rupees 720. So one cow will cost less, so we have to divide by 8, and 12 cows will cost more, so we have to multiply by 12. On solving we will get the answer. Let's try out another example. Here the question is, the cost of 8 pence is rupees 72. How many pence can be bought for rupees 45? So first we see that we have to find the number of pence. So the number of pence will be on the right hand side. So we can write, for rupees 72 we can buy 8 pence. Now we have to find how many pence we can buy for rupees 1. So for rupees 1 we can buy, for 72 rupees we can buy 8 pence. So for 1 rupee we can buy less number of pence, so we have to divide by 72. 8 by 72 pence. Next we have to find how many pence we can buy for rupees 45. So for rupees 45, for rupees 1 we can buy this many pence. So for rupees 45 we can buy more number of pence, so we have to multiply by 45. So 8 by 72 into 45 pence. Now we'll solve it. Which is equal to 5 pence. So this is your answer. So for rupees 45 we can buy 5 pence. So the first step was, since we have to find the number of pence, we have to write the question in such a way so that the pence is on the right side. So we write that for rupees 72 we can buy 8 pence. Next we have to find how many pence we can buy for rupees 1. So for rupees 1 it will be less, so we divide by 72. Next we have to find the number of pence we can buy for rupees 45. So for rupees 45 we can buy more number of pence, so we have to multiply by 45. On solving we will get the answer. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.